flood watch in effect from Monday afternoon through Monday evening.
What?
Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of southeast Georgia, including the following areas: coastal Bryan, coastal Chatham, coastal Liberty, coastal McIntosh, Effingham, inland Bryan, inland Chatham, inland Liberty, inland McIntosh, and Long and southeast South Carolina, including the following areas: Beaufort, Charleston, coastal Colleton, coastal Jasper, Dorchester, Hampton, inland Berkeley, inland Colleton, inland Jasper, and tidal Berkeley. When? From Monday afternoon through Monday evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Storm drains and ditches may become clogged with debris. Additional details: widespread showers and thunderstorms with torrential rainfall will impact much of southeast South Carolina and southeast Georgia Monday afternoon and evening as a cold front drops south into the region. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches will be possible, with localized amounts in excess of 6 inches. The risk for flash flooding may become enhanced around the Monday afternoon high tide. Additional flood safety information can be found online at weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Be prepared to protect life and property, especially in areas prone to flooding. If flooding develops, move to higher ground immediately. If driving, be prepared for flooded roadways and possible road closures.